3 choices to help you lose weight. 1. The weight loss patch. Perhaps the most appealing benefit of using a patch is that it is so easy to use. No pills to remember to take, no special diets, no required exercise routine. Naturally, sticking to a healthy diet and exercise program is best for your overall health, but if that is difficult for you to adhere to all of the time, the patch may be a solution that works for you. A weight loss patch that you place on your body will deliver the active ingredients by transdermal delivery, meaning through the skin. The patch ingredients will go directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system and liver. Simply apply the patch to a smooth area of your skin and change it every 3 days. That is all of the maintenance that is required. A patch can even be used occasionally when you are traveling and know you will be eating out a lot, or for those times you are too busy to cook the proper foods. A patch that suppresses your appetite will help you develop good eating habits that will help you maintain your ideal weight in the future. No more yo-yo figures. 2. Appetite suppressant pills. Curbing your appetite to stop the influx of calories in the first place seems to be the logical way to lose and maintain your weight. However, we are so bombarded by confusing claims everywhere for appetite suppressant pills in print, on the radio, on television, even on billboards when driving, that it is difficult to know which diet pill will really help take off those pounds and keep them off. Some diet pills will cause your heart to race, your hands to shake, or an overall wired feeling. To avoid these problems, stay away from products that contain ephedra, ma huang, and ephedrine. One herbal diet pill that has gotten a lot of publicity lately is Hoodia gordoni. The authentic plant comes from the Kalahari Desert in South Africa. Respectable television shows like 60 Minutes, The Today Show, BBC, and even Oprah's O magazine have given it rave reviews for its fast-acting appetite-suppressing qualities. While it can take 1 to 2 weeks to work fully, many users report a decline in their appetite with the first pill. In fact, Hoodia has had so many positive reports that there are now a lot of knockoff products being marketed to the uninformed, especially on the internet. The real Hoodia is very rare because it takes up to 7 years for the Hoodia plant to mature to a point where it provides appetite suppressant qualities. In addition, the African government is now limiting the amount of Hoodia it exports, meaning only a few suppliers have the real thing. Because Hoodia is so rare, you can expect it to be a little more expensive than other diet pills. Another diet pill that helps shed pounds is herbal phentermine. This is a non-prescription appetite suppressant that is scientifically designed to produce similar effects of a popular RX version of phentermine. The good news is that the herbal version contains only natural ingredients, so you don't have to be worried about side effects. Plus, you can avoid the time, expense, and embarrassment of a doctor's visit. Herbal phentermine will not only suppress your appetite, but it will also increase your metabolism so you burn more calories and have more energy. 3. Carbohydrate blockers. Perhaps you prefer not to have your appetite suppressed, but instead would like to eat all of the pasta, bread, rice, and potatoes you want. If this sounds more like your style, then you might want to try a carbohydrate blocker. Scientists have discovered, and thoroughly tested, a method to allow us to eat the foods we love and not gain weight. We can now stop the normal conversion of starchy foods to sugar before it can pass through our digestive system and store as fat on our hips, thighs, buttocks and stomach. Derived from white kidney beans, the resulting carb blockers, starch neutralizers, are a completely natural product. They work by neutralizing the alpha amylase enzyme that digests starch. By neutralizing this digestive enzyme, the starch from our food does not get digested. Instead, it remains intact and does not convert to sugar. It simply passes through the body undigested and acts as a fiber, which is a very good thing. We get more fiber going through our intestines while avoiding the conversion to sugar and the resulting fat storage. A definite win-win situation. Over the past several years, there have been many positive studies to determine the effectiveness of carb blockers and their ability to help lose weight. One study was performed at the Northridge Hospital Medical Center in Los Angeles, California, over an 8-week time period. It reported that participants saw an average weight loss of 200% more than those taking a placebo, and lost an average of 1.5 inches around their waists. This was 43% more than those taking the placebo. Plus they reported having 13% more energy even though it is not a stimulant.